So this is our last day in Hong Kong, and believe it or not, it's raining again. We're going like 3 hours outside of the city today to climb a mountain with a giant Buddha statue on it. Josh really wanted to go, and we've been in the city the entire week and I could use some fresh air. It's a long hike though, like a long hike, and I was trying to figure out what the heck shoes do I bring. I mean, I don't have that many shoes here. I have these, which I've been wearing all week, but don't exactly offer any sort of support that you need for climbing a mountain. Then I have these, which I bought while I was here, the Trail NMDs, which, I mean, they have the word trail in them. I'm stuck with these crappy, I mean, they're not that bad, but it's not a shoe I want to wear all day to climb a mountain. So we are taking a bus to get to this Buddha mountain hill thing. Woo! That was close. It's like an hour-and-a-half bus ride out of the city to some really, really beautiful looking area.
I'm very excited. This is one of the top list, boys.
I usually don't do stuff like this, so I don't really know what to expect, but this should be pretty cool. One of my very few shortcomings in life is my affliction of motion sickness. That hour-and-a-half bus ride through a windy, twisty mountain road was not exactly the most enjoyable thing for me. But judging by the view, this is 100% worth it. So this is the hike up here. It's actually not nearly as bad as I thought it would be. It's like maybe 200 stairs. I was expecting a lot more, which is great, because as we established last time I was trying to climb, I am ridiculously out of shape. This is really cool, dude.
This is amazing.
Good recommendation on coming here. I'm not gonna lie, I still feel like throwing up from that bus ride. But this view, look at that. That has to be 60 to 70 feet tall. A giant statue. The humidity here has to be like 130%, and I know that doesn't make sense, but we're literally inside of a cloud right now. Like, you can feel water when you move your hands. It's the most bizarre feeling. Like, everywhere you look, there's clouds. We are inside of a cloud right now, and it feels a little disgusting. Cool, but disgusting. Absolutely incredible. Thankfully we brought the drone. I can't wait to see what this looks like from the air. Update. The controller battery is low, which is fine, but there's a compass calibration error, which is not as fine. Do you still want to try and get like one shot? That one. That's dope. Always take the risk. If your drone doesn't have a compass calibration, fly it anyway and hope you don't crash it into something. That's my motto in life. I'm just kidding, don't do that. It's really, really unsafe. Don't do that. All right, that was amazing. Time to sit on another bus for another 90 minutes. Yay! We made it. Okay, one last stop in Hong Kong. Our trip's actually coming full circle quite nicely. The first day we were in Hong Kong, we went to Mong Kok Sneaker Street and went to this NBA basketball store that had a lot of cool stuff that I really liked. And I didn't want to buy it quite then because, you know, it was our first day there. I didn't want to spend my money as soon as I got into Hong Kong. But it's our last day. We're going to the airport in a couple of hours. And I figured, you know what? I'm going to treat myself. So we're heading back there right now. All right, here we go. I think this is the store. We have a problem. I came here to buy these San Antonio 96 All-Star Game shorts, but now they have Vancouver Grizzlies shorts, which I think are even, oh my goodness, this is a tough decision. They're both the same price, like $140 US, which is expensive for a pair of shorts, don't get me wrong, but not terrible. All-Star shorts, Grizzly shorts. All-Star shorts, Grizzly shorts. Alright, made my decision. I think I made the right decision. Such a freaking nice pair of shorts. That being said, I am late and we do need to get to the airport really quick. Oh my goodness, that was way too heavy. No, it's definitely not here, dude. Josh lost his train pass. He's freaking out a little bit.
I'm not freaking out.
He's freaking.
We're just on the last day. It's annoying that I gotta buy another train pass. I'm not freaking out. I'm just mad at myself. Dumb person.
He's freaking out a little bit.
To no help to Tom, I found it on the floor.
You good to go now?
I'm good to go. Thanks, man.
Bye, crappy hotel room. I shall miss you dearly. I will not miss it at all. Airport Express train to Hong Kong Airport, out of Hong Kong. My final words to Hong Kong is you have been amazing, but you are way too humid and I need some personal space again. So that's going to be nice. We're heading to Singapore and we're going to be there for a week, which is going to be great. No problem. And of course I wasn't going to leave you guys hanging on what pair of shorts I bought. I went with the San Antonio All-Star Game ones. I just thought these ones looked way nicer. I really like them. I mean, expensive pair of shorts, except these things are really good. Authentic Mitchell & Ness. They feel like a towel. Like, these things are freaking heavy. It's been good though. It's been a really good time in Hong Kong. I hope you guys have enjoyed all the videos here, and the videos in Singapore are going to be even better. Josh, any words to say about the city?
So excited to like be able to breathe air again.
I'll give you that. The air here, not the greatest. Besides that though, Hong Kong, I love you.